Why are Pakistan and Afghanistan are battling at the border? What does it mean for India? Tension between Pakistan and Afghanistan surged over the weekend with the Taliban government claiming to have killed 58 Pakistani soldiers in fierce clashes at the shared border. On the other hand, Islamabad has reportedly killed 200 Taliban terrorists. But what is the trigger for the clashes? Will it escalate into a bigger conflict? Just as it looked like the fighting between Israel and Hamas was abating, a new conflict erupted, this time between Afghanistan and Pakistan over the weekend. Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review the conflict between Afghanistan and Pakistan. Both Pakistan and Afghanistan troops have exchanged deadly fire at multiple locations along the 2,600 km Durand line, with both sides claiming to have captured and destroyed border clashes in recent years. So what is the latest on the fighting? What triggered the clashes? Is the situation expected to escalate further? And what does all of this mean for India, which currently hosting Afghan foreign minister? New fighting began on Saturday at about 10 p.m. local time when Afghanistan Taliban forces launched attacks along their shared border in what it called retaliation for airstrikes carried out by the Pakistani army on Kabul on Thursday. Islamabad did not directly claim responsibility for the strikes but has reportedly stated the right to defend itself against surging militancy that it says is planned from Afghan soil. Exchange of fire occurred at multiple locations, with Pakistani officials and state-run radio noting that those locations included Agnur Adda. Locations included Angur Adda, Bajnor, Kurram, Dir and Chitral, all in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, and Behram Jha in Balochistan. On Sunday, Zabiullah Mujahid, the Taliban government spokesman, said that 58 Pak soldiers were killed and around 30 wounded in the clashes. Taliban forces were killed. However, Pakistan shared different figures. It stated that 23 of its soldiers had been killed, while more than 200 Taliban and affiliated troops had been gunned down. The military also claimed multiple Taliban locations were destroyed along the border, and 21 hostile positions on the Afghan side of the border were also briefly physically captured, and multiple terrorist training camps used to plan and facilitate attacks against Pakistan were rendered inoperative.